Hello and welcome to sunny Croatia. Yep, we're just a little bit north of Dubrovnik and we're stopping in the Admiral Grand Hotel, which is a 5-star half-board hotel, and we've got a week here in sunny Croatia, which is about an hour's ride up from Dubrovnik in a place called Slano. So we'll go and show you around the hotel. As you can see, we've got a lovely fountain behind when we're getting soaked of it, so we're going to have a quick walk around. So let's begin. Come through into reception and a nice hallway. Reception just over there. And you go down. And this goes down to the beach. An indoor bar. Out part of the restaurant, and this is our own private beach. There's a few boats now moored up. And just over there you've got the outdoor pool and beach bar. Outdoor pool right next to the beach, and you got the beach bar in the corner. And it's kinda hot now, so I'm getting the shade. And look, it's like a rest area. You get all the sun from the skylights, and they're all going off into different corridors. I think pretty much all the rooms are identical. I'll take you around our room. It's nice and clean.
We're left.
I'll just wait here until they go to move and wait till someone
There's no marks that I can see on the walls. Carpets look nice and clean. Oh, little specks here, like so. Just there, there's a little stain. But other than that, it looks really nice. And there's a couple of little scuffs on the walls. You got a little rest area there. Probably have a sit down because you've got to walk miles to a room. Come to room 166. This is our room. Start at the beginning. You got a wardrobe here and plenty of hangers. As you can see, taking notice of the clothing that we've already booked in. That's plenty of shelving space. I've got a TV there, it's just a normal TV. And there's our beds. I've got a couple of lamps, a nice big headboard, a couple of little dressing tables, and a nice big double bed, although it's actually two singles shoved together. And we've got a little sofa bed. I've got a desk and chair with a mirror and a little table. A little unit with a mini fridge. Underneath there, just got plenty in. Water and that. And on this side you got the safe. Also have a small balcony. A couple of table and chairs. And that's with view. You've got the bins over there. I don't know what that is. But that's the entrance to the hotel over there. And we've got a nice view of the hills. This is a bathroom. Nice big sink, big mirror, high. And you've got a small shaver mirror. You got a couple of hand washers there, shower caps, tissues, hair dryer, a couple of glasses, a toilet, towel rack, and we've got some shampoo and body wash, and you've got a nice big bath and shower. That looks fairly clean. And you've got towels and spare toilet rolls under there, as well as a bin and a little stool. And we'll try the bed out tonight and we'll tell you what it's like in the morning. Okay, we'll see what the beds are like. And we'll see you in the morning. Good night.
Good night.
Morning.
Morning.
How do you sleep?
Alright.
The bed's a little bit too firm for me. I'm a bit achy back and that.
The room's a bit too warm. Through the night. It gets very warm. Even with the aircon on.
I'm gonna go and do and see what this restaurant's like. So we'll see. Got a gym, a couple of treadmills. Not a lot here, but some weights, changing rooms, and some towels and that over there, and dumbbells. That's not bad. Indoor pool. There's a jacuzzi there. The wells. Sauna. Massages. And the changing rooms and toilets. There you go. And breakfast salary, isn't it?
It was nice. I had
Yeah.
fruit.
I had fruit on the cereals. We had omelette, some bacon and sausage. And we're just finishing off with a little bit of toast. It's really nice. There's plenty of the choice up there, as you can see. But yeah, so far so good. We're back home and we've had time to reflect on what we thought about the hotel. And to be honest, I can't knock it. It's a lovely hotel. The meals were fine. There was a couple of things that were repeated every night, but most of the time there was always something there to eat. If you could pick it up and put it anywhere else, you wouldn't really want to. It was lovely having your breakfast sitting right on the beach. The staff were really friendly, always cheerful, always helpful. You were out to say?
Clean, very clean. Like you say, there was a lot there for meals. But if you're a fussy eater like me...
Oh, you're a fussy eater.
Yeah.
Technically knows the horses, I was fussy.
But there was plenty there.
You still had things to eat. You never starved.
No.
I think the only downside that I could see was you were pretty much in the middle of nowhere. You had a supermarket and a couple of little souvenir shops, and that was it. There was no bars or anything nearby. Everything, if you wanted anything like that, you always had to travel.
Yeah, but it wasn't expensive to travel though.
No, it wasn't expensive to travel.
€2.70 per person, which is good.
Yeah, that's the only thing. But for a peaceful and a relaxing holiday, you couldn't knock the hotel. It's beautiful.
And yeah, beach, that was dead relaxing. You could just walk out, get your chairs, and that was it. We're settled.
Well, if you like this sort of video, don't forget, hit that subscribe button.
Give this video the thumbs up.
And hit that notification bell for future videos. And we'll see you on the next one. So, thanks for watching.